Saturday and we're going for breakfasts. We're going for breakfast in Cheras and come with us. Come with me. Go to Cheras for breakfast. Muntik na kami mawala. But we're here in Gwangju 88. Yep.
然后那个小笼包，
三粒跟六粒，
榴莲，
六粒 OK。
然后
So I ordered Xingtiangmen noodles. It's a noodle soup. Why are you laughing? Don't laugh at me. Looks nice.
but seriously it's nice. This one is nice. Not enough spicy, but is it spicy? Not spicy.
You know those ASMR. Ayan, kakatapos lang namin kumain. So if you wanna, I think, experience local food, you should try the restaurant here in Cheras. Init! Let's go home. Sa pool ako ngayon. Just gonna swim probably for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Kasi Sabado ngayon, wala akong magawa. At kaso parang paulan na din naman. So ayoko din magtagal, baka maulanan pa ako dito. Pero maliligo din naman ako. Yan lang. So ganito yung pool namin sa tinitirhan ko. Isang straight lang siya. Ayan. Sobrang liit lang. Medyo gloomy nga yung panahon. Pero mas maganda sana kung may araw. Para at least feel na feel mo yung pool, diba? Alam nyo, lately, na-realize ko lang na lagi ako nasa cellphone ko. And feeling ko yun din yung mga cause ng anxiety, ganyan. So as much as possible, I wanted to be out of my phone for at least 1 hour per day, 2 hours, 3 hours per day. Hindi man lang yung lagi ako nasa cellphone. Kaya I think this is my way to get out there, be present. Kesa sa nagmumukmuk lang ako sa bahay tapos effort lang ng cellphone. Ayun, so far I'm happy that I'm doing these things. Starting a YouTube, uploading finally sa YouTube, or I might upload this on TikTok as well. Di ko alam paano. And hopefully this is a start of my vlogging journey kasi gusto ko siyang gawin sobrang tagal na, and medyo tamad lang talaga akong gumawa ng videos, mag-shoot, ganyan. Tapos nahihiya pa ako. So I wanted to be comfortable sa camera, speaking. Yun lang.
I open the curtain to the sun like a shower. Hummingbirds are singing their happy hours.
Uy guys, ang cute nito. May mini aquarium. Tapos meron din dito. See, di ba? Cute. Nasa labas pala ulit ako. And kakain na naman. Actually, dinner na siya. Kahit napaka-early. Parang 5 PM pa lang ata. Tapos early dinner na lang. Ayun, napaka-boring. Saturday is nice, but boring. Kasi lalo na pag wala kang ginagawa. And ito pala itsura ng Thai. This is a Thai restaurant. And ito yung labas niya. So cute, di ba? Hey guys! Pauwi na ako ng Vivo. And after namin kumain, pumunta muna kami ng grocery to buy some fruits and snacks so we can watch movies after. So bumili kami ng mango. It's only for 7 ringgit. And we also bought chocolate roll cake. It's a Japanese cake. It's very nice. Minsan nabibili namin siya sa Don Donki, pero meron din siya sa grocery. And bumili din kami ng langka. Nasa 7 ringgit din ata to, or 8 ringgit. Yun lang. So I guess this ends the vlog for today. And don't forget to follow, like, and share my video, and let me know what other videos I have to shoot. Thank you so much,